Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to turn off shorts in YouTube mobile. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our YouTube app, and after opening your YouTube app, just scroll down until you see Shorts section, which is right here on the bottom. And the next thing that we need to do is to manually click this three dots right here on the top right of the video and then click not interested. So just do it one by one, and after that just refresh the app until you don't see YouTube Shorts anymore. I have restarted the YouTube app, so it's still here, so let's just try it again. Just click not interested and then restart the app again, and as you can see right there, YouTube Shorts is now removed from the YouTube app. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.